Arwakini machiegni kendo jodak kanyakla kod jotelo mag Garisa koro chiwo pachgi e chupni mag plastik mithoro witi e kaunti no kane giloso e kinde mane hingo chieng' mar aluora e kar tiegruok mar NENAP. Jalup komishona ma kaunti no Sebastian Okiring owacho ni timno nyalo kelo muoch mag tuoche mopogore opogore kojiwo joma kedo na aluora mondo mi ong'i makare wachno. Okiring nomedo jiwo tiyo kanyakla kata yo makare gi jwala, kowacho ni tiyo marach gi jwala go osekelo achiedh nade kod lal maduong' ne jopith jamni.
Plastic has become a big menace, particularly in this dry area. Walking through town, you'll find plastics almost all over, and they are choking us. Plastic has blocked all the drainages. Plastic has even blocked our sewage system. As we stand here today, Garisa town is flooding in sewage. I want to call upon those responsible to do everything possible within their means to see to it that that sewage flood is removed, so that we protect our people from potential outbreak of very deadly diseases like cholera.
And today we have to bring to the consciousness of everyone that our environment is our life, and therefore each and every one of us has a responsibility to take care of that environment. As NEMA, we have continued to roll out regulations which are aimed at ensuring a sustainable environment, and we are fighting the three major environmental challenges of our times, that is pollution, climate change, and biodiversity loss.
I want to also ask the Northern Water Board and the county government to address how they can manage the only plant that we have here. The only sewage plant that is in town is in mess.
Afisa marito le mag bunge KWS